Observational drawing from foraged materials using pencil. Here's some resources you might need.
Hello, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do some pencil drawings from observation. This is something we've practiced quite a lot, but today we're going to draw some of the foraged items that you've collected. It is bluebell season, so I've managed to get myself some bluebells. The first thing you need to do is get them in a position that you're happy to draw from. If you're drawing plants or flowers, that you can put them in a vase, or you can lay them next to your paper and look at them that way. If you were able to do any observational drawings on site during your walk, that is amazing. But not everybody can do that. So if you haven't been able to, that's fine. But have a go at drawing what you've managed to collect when you get back home. Okay, so for this task, I am going to use a mechanical pencil. A mechanical pencil is a pencil that you insert the lead into. And why? The reason I like these pencils is because when you snap the lead, you get a really sharp edge on them. They do tend to be sort of HB. So later on, I'll probably go back on and add some 6B. With the sharp some definition with a 6B pencil. Yeah, so you're going to need a rubber as well, and I'm working on A4 paper. Okay, so to get started, I am just going to really lightly sketch out the outline of my bluebells. And what is really important with observational drawing is observing. So I mean, that sounds silly, but actually the more you're looking at the object that you're drawing, the better likeness you're going to get. And a lot of the time, if it's an object that people are familiar with, a lot of the time people do tend to sort of guess what that object looks like and then make mistakes. So looking at everything from the space in between the different objects, how far down parts of what you're drawing come to, and I'm just going to really lightly just draw exactly as I see it. Even if I think that can't be quite right, I'm just really concentrating on what I'm looking at, and I'm drawing it exactly as I see it. Brilliant practice. Okay, I'm going to leave my drawing like that. I'm going to keep it as a sketch. I might go in and just add a little bit more definition. But I think I'm quite happy with that. And next, what I'm going to do, and what I think you should do as well, is just take a closer look at what it is you've drawn. So rather than draw it again in its entirety, just look really carefully, perhaps just in one area, and try to enlarge one section.